Hi, I'm Ken.
Yeah.
This is my girl's ride. Don't put that in there. Hey, what's up guys? This is Cam with Oregon Design Company, and this is a 2023 Ford Maverick XLT. They're cool little trucks that Ford started coming out with. We had a customer of ours picked one up, and the white was just not doing it for her. So after going through different colors, trying to find the right one that the customer liked, we landed on a KPMF iridescent that was a white pink. Well, when it showed up, the iridescent was just not quite enough. To solve that problem, what we did is we actually printed over the top of the KPMF iridescent with a light magenta that really made it pop. It's just light enough that you can still see all the iridescent qualities of the original film, and then we put a gloss laminate over the top of it, which really created a custom, one-of-a-kind color for this customer that I think she is gonna be in love with. There's not a ton of pink options on the market. You're a little bit limited, and this is one way to get you something that you would have never gotten before. You can't order this color, you can't get it from any manufacturer, but we can do it here at Oregon Design Co. So if you're looking for something custom, something completely one-off and different, hit us up, OregonDesignCo.com, shoot us a message on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll get back to you and make it happen. Peace.